Aloha and welcome to our video on behavioral biology. In this video, we will define and give examples of internal and external stimuli, and we will also define and give examples for innate and learned behaviors. So let's begin our discussion with stimuli. Stimuli is going to be a trigger for a response. So it's going to be something that will elicit a response in an organism. We have two kinds of stimulus. We have an internal and we have an external. And let's start with the internal. Notice internal starts with I. These are going to come from factors inside the organism. Things like germs, dehydration, pain, a lack of energy. Something inside of the organism that's going to cause some kind of a reaction. Now the opposite of those are going to be external, and that starts with an E, and these are going to come from factors that come from the environment. So it would be like temperature outside, or whether or not there's predators, or whether or not there's food or water, something in the environment that's going to cause that reaction or cause a behavior to happen. So when we talk about stimuli, these are the causes for the behavior, and remember that they can either be internal or they can be external. Now, when we start talking about behaviors, these are going to be a response to the stimuli. We have two different kinds of behaviors we want to focus on. We have what we call innate and we have what we call learned. The innate behaviors are inherited. They don't need to be learned. These are ones that they naturally know how to do. Some examples would be like a spinning of a web for a spider, or swallowing your food, or crying when something hurts. And most innate behaviors are going to be related to these two things. They're going to be related to getting food and to keeping safe. So you're born with some behaviors that will get you food, or get that food inside of you, or get that food working, or something of that nature, and then to keep you safe as well. Now the opposite of innate are going to be these learned behaviors, and these are going to be acquired or learned from observing somebody else. And some examples of these would be like how to throw a ball, or to wash food, or to talk, or to follow commands. Things that you're taught how to do. So those are going to be our learned behaviors. And learned behaviors generally fall into the realm of culture. And we talked about culture being a uniquely human trait, but we see that this can be in some other species as well. And in the lessons, you'll see about some snow monkeys in Japan that have learned from watching others. So there's a little bit of culture in that group of animals as well. So that's it for this video. As always, the lessons will go into a little bit more detail for you, and good luck with them, and we'll see you in the next video.